Remote repositories play a crucial role in effective team collaboration when working with Git. In this module, we will cover a set of useful commands that help teams to work and collaborate with Git remote repositories. Let's take a first example. ML engineer Nan joined a team and wants to get a copy of the existing project. The project's remote repository is located on GitLab or GitHub. With the command git clone, Anne creates a copy of the project on her local machine. To keep track of the tip of the current branch in the repository, Git uses a head pointer. At this moment, the head pointer is set to the latest commit, ensuring that your local copy is synchronized with the remote repository. While Anne was exploring the repository, her colleague Jack updated the main branch on the remote repository. So, Anne needs to update her local main branch. She can do it with two options. First option. Anne updates her local working state to the remote contents using the git fetch command. Be careful. This command doesn't merge versions into the local main branch. So, Anne also needs to merge updates into the local main branch with the git merge command. The head pointer moved to the latest commit. Second option. Anne uses the git pull command to combine two operations, git fetch followed by git merge. It retrieves the latest changes from the remote repository and automatically merges them into your local branch. The head pointer will be moved to the last commit, ensuring that your local branch is synced with the remote branch. Let's look at another case. Anne has updated the local main branch. How can she publish her updates to the remote repository? Anne can use the git push command to publish updates to the main branch on the remote repository. Specifically, she can run the git push origin main command to push her local main branch to the main branch on the remote repository. This command will transfer her commits and updates from the local repository to the remote repository, making her changes accessible to others who have access to the remote repository. Let's look at the next scenario. Besides the origin repository, Anne wants to use her personal repository on GitHub to test some new features she added. Firstly, Anne checks which remote repository she is already connected to using the git remote --v command. Currently, she is connected to only one origin remote repository. Then she establishes a connection between her local machine and the personal remote repository, named Anne, using the git remote add command. Now Anne can seamlessly work with two remote repositories. Finally, Anne wants to push updates to a new remote, using the git push command. This command will push Anne's updates from the local main branch to the main branch of the target remote repository. As a result, the target repository will now have the latest commit, version 5, that Anne made in her local repository, while the origin repository will still retain the previous commit, version 4.